and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the newsprint and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. The United Nations General Assembly has approved a resolution calling for an immediate humanitarian ceasefire in Gaza, receiving support from 153 nations including India. The resolution emphasizes the release of hostages, ensuring humanitarian access and compliance with international humanitarian law. India's representative highlighted the humanitarian crisis following a terrorist attack in Israel on October 7th. Despite amendments by the US and Austria facing defeat, Israel's permanent representative criticized the resolution for not condemning Hamas and argued that a ceasefire would only serve the survival of the group. The conflict between Israel and Hamas, ongoing for 3 months, continues amid concerns about deteriorating humanitarian conditions in Gaza. A major security breach occurred in the Lok Sabha on the 22nd anniversary of the 2001 Parliament terror attack. 2 individuals breached security, deploying smoke canisters inside the chamber. Prime Minister Modi and Speaker Om Birla had earlier paid tributes to the victims of the 2001 attack. The breach raised concerns about toxic smoke, with lawmakers demanding a thorough investigation. Additionally, 2 individuals were detained outside Parliament with colored smoke canisters, and the incidents are believed to be related. A 24-year-old from Kodagu was arrested at Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru for attempting to smuggle gold paste worth 55 lakh rupees. Customs officials discovered the concealed gold in pouches stitched into the suspect's custom-made jeans and underwear. The youth arrived on an Indigo flight from Dubai, and upon profiling, authorities noticed unusual behavior, leading to the recovery of 907 grams of gold paste. Legal action has been initiated against the individual for smuggling and violations of customs regulation. The National Investigation Agency executed searches in Bengaluru concerning a case of prison radicalization officially registered by the central agency last month. The targeted locations were associated with Junaid Ahmed, a primary suspect in the terror plot who left the country for Dubai in 2021. The raids also covered premises linked to 5 associates initially apprehended by the Bengaluru crime branch. This case involves individuals influenced in prison by T. Nasir, an alleged Lashkar-e-Toiba operative. Investigations unveiled foreign fund transfers to the arrested group. Allegedly inspired by Nasir, Junaid Ahmed formed a module connected to a 2017 arms possession case. The accused faced charges under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, Arms Act, and conspiracy charges under the IPC. Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Limited, the bottling subsidiary of Coca-Cola in India, announced plans to invest 3,000 crore rupees in Gujarat for the establishment of a modern facility dedicated to the production of juice and carbonated beverages in Rajkot. The facility is expected to commence operations in 2026. According to a statement by HCCB, this investment is expected to lead to a significant industrial presence, contributing to substantial economic and social development in the region. HCCB stated that the government of Gujarat has committed to providing comprehensive support to assist the company in obtaining all necessary permissions, registrations, approvals, and clearances within a specified timeline. HCCB operates 16 factories across India, where it manufactures 60 products under 7 categories. Leander Peace, former doubles world number 1, and Vijay Amritraj, an Indian broadcaster and promoter, have made history as the first Asian men to be honored with induction into the International Tennis Hall of Fame. Alongside them, the distinguished journalist and writer Richard Evans has also been chosen for this prestigious recognition in tennis. Peace has earned this place in the player category, while Amritraj and the United Kingdom's Evans are being inducted in the contributor category, a designation that undergoes election every 2 years. The official induction ceremony for the class of 2024 is scheduled to take place on Saturday in Newport, Rhode Island. Pacer Mohammad Shami, one of the stars in the recent ODI World Cup, has reportedly been put forth for the Arjuna Award by the Board of Control for Cricket in India. The 33-year-old delivered an impressive performance during the ODI World Cup, where India secured the runner-up position, losing to Australia in the final. Sources from the Sports Ministry indicate that the PCCI specifically requested the inclusion of Shami's name, as he was initially not part of the list for the country's second highest sporting honour. The ministry has constituted a 12-member committee to decide for this year's sports award, including Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award and Arjuna Award among others. That's it. These were the major updates of the day. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to get more such updates.